Hey guys, Dave here, and today we're going to talk about some Yost heavy-duty machinist vices. There are 4 different variations of this machinist vise: the Model 203, 204, 205, and 206, which are 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, and 6-inch versions respectively. That measurement refers to the length of the jaws. Let's talk about some features that these come with. First off, it has an interlocking swivel base with a 360-degree rotation. Great for adjusting the vise depending on the project, what you're working on, or the part in your vise. Once you get the desired location, you can secure it using the 2 lockdowns on the base. On the front, you get a no-pinch screw handle with 2 rubber grommets that avoid the handle from sliding into unwanted positions. The jaws themselves are made from hardened steel, have a serrated finish for a better grip, and they're even replaceable. So if you beat this guy up a little bit, no worries, simply pop off the old ones and install some fresh jaws. Lastly, you get a nice little anvil area on the back of the unit. For more information on this vise or any other vices we offer, click the link in the description or at the end of this video.